Okay guys, welcome back. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a quick and easy alcohol stove. You want to take a whole can. You can use a long can, beer can, whatever you want. You cut the bottom of the can off, and then you cut it off at the top like this. And after you do that, you put like maybe a couple cotton balls in here, or I like to just take some jute twine and wrap it around the bottom, because you want to use the rounded bottom part of your can as your alcohol stove. And you want this top piece right here, once you drink the soda, you want to kind of just push that little tab back up so you can extinguish the fire. Once you cut this off, just cut the bottom of that off, and that is going to be your hollow base, so you can light it up by putting some of this jute twine. You don't need much, just a little bit on the bottom there. It kind of helps soak up some of the alcohol, and then when you start it up, you should get a nice flame like that. You can sit this on a rock and cook and boil your water if you need to. And if you just want to put it out, you want to crimp the ends of it, because that way you can put the lid on top of it like this. I know a lot of people do the penny stoves. I'm not a fan of the penny stoves. I can never get them to work without liquid heat. But these alcohol stoves are a surefire way. And you can put this here liquid sterno in there too as well. Fire starter sterno in there as well. And 90% isopropyl alcohol in here to make a sterno stove. And you can buy the sterno stuff anywhere. It's the same sterno formula they use in most of their canned sterno stuff. So if you guys want to make yourself a quick and nasty, down and dirty stove in a survival situation for alcohol, even kerosene will work for this as well, to make a stove. And if you guys just want to put it out, you just put the lid on top of it like that and put it out, and there you guys go. You can do this with a tuna can. A reverse cut can opener will also do this as well. And once you put it out, you can just reuse it over and over and over again in your campsite. So if you move to another campsite, you can just make another one. You know what I'm saying, guys? That's how you make a quick and easy alcohol stove in a survival situation, so you can boil water, or even, you know, cook food if you need to with a fry pan. So you'll need some kind of like bigger can to put over this. You can take like an old tomato can, cut the top of the lid off, poke holes all on the side, and put it over the top of there, and then you'll have yourself a nice little can placement for frying with your fry pan or boiling water without it. How you guys make an alcohol stove? Fast and easy, out of a can, or you can use a soda can. You can use a tuna can. You can use a soup can if you wanted to, with a reverse cut type of can opener. And Bob's your uncle, you got yourself a nice little cheap and easy. If you don't want to, if you want to take this with you, you just open it up and throw the contents of it out wherever you're at, close it up and take it with you. So it's portable too, so you can boil your water in the field. Like, say if you're in an urban survival scenario, this is not going to put out a big bunch of black flames like you would with a fire. So if you're stealth camping and stuff like that, this is going to be able to, you're going to be able to get a fire going with this and boil your water without being seen from miles away like you would a campfire. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. This has been your old boy Hondo from Hillbilly Tactical. Peace out, everybody.